So today's job, we have a clock spring on Nissan Qashqai plus 2. So place where we start will be right here for the small holes you can see, and there are 2 springs. I'm using this kind of screwdriver, basically having a torque on it, and I push it to pop it out. Okay, so it pops off. There are 2 springs, as you can see right here, the other one on the other side. Before we touch the airbag, we take out the battery. So battery is off. Now we put back the steering wheel to the straight position. So we got the wheel straight, and we will secure the clock spring after we take it out. First, what we have to do, there's the airbag, small screwdriver, flat, lift up the black part, then it releases very easily. And in this case I have 2 connections here, one on the left, one on the right, and then of course the number 19, that's the steering wheel itself. So with our steering wheel off, next step, there are 3 screws right here on the top. There's one, there's another one here, and one down there. Not the middle one, the one on the right side. And we take off the plastics so we can reach the clock spring itself. So after we remove the 3 Phillips screws, it will just pop and open on both sides with a small screwdriver. So the next steps will be 2 screws right here and one right there. Also the Phillips, and on the back, now if you can see it, you will find it by hand. There's a little click which you just, I believe it's pushing down, yeah, pushing down with the finger, and right there, and the whole thing will come off. Now we have 3 connectors to take off. One is here separate, right there, the white one on the left, there's the yellow one and the gray one, which are connected together, so you have to remove them together. That's what I find is the best way. And of course, don't forget the small connector on the top, on the right hand side, to take it off. So the next step will be the steering angle sensor. Has 3 small screws right here, right there, one on the top on the right hand side. And taking this off, we will continue with taking off all the bars for the turn signals and for the windshield wipers. That will be the next. So steering angle sensor removed right here. What is left is this round plastic that goes around the steering wheel right here. But what I find out, there has to be particular holes. One right there, that's the big one. One right here, that's the small one. Because if not, it will not perfectly fit to those 2 holes. So when you're purchasing the clock spring for the Nissan Qashqai, be very aware that those 2 things has to be absolutely exact, same like in your power steering angle sensor. Otherwise you will have a problem, as I did. And this is the 3rd I'm purchasing, because actually exchanging, not purchasing, because those holes were not fitting in it. They were in the wrong position. All the connectors all okay, but this little thing can be tricky if it's not original Nissan.